Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with a specific question in mind. Open the form and add a new multiple choice field now. Enter the prompt so the options relate directly to what you want to measure. Add each choice clearly. Short phrases work best. Toggle required if every respondent must answer, and use the three-dot menu to duplicate or shuffle options when needed. Once done, move to Answer Key Setup to mark the correct option and assign point value for grading. Now you set the answer key so the form can auto-grade responses. Click Answer Key and tap the correct choice. Assign points to reflect weight. For learning purposes, add answer feedback for both correct and incorrect selections to explain why an answer is right or wrong. If you want partial credit, split the question into multiple parts or use multiple choice grid. Once configured, preview the question to confirm feedback and scoring. Finish by previewing the full form and submitting test responses to verify scoring, feedback, and required logic work correctly. Make sure point totals add up on the quiz settings panel and that questions marked for grading show points. If something looks off, return to the question, reopen Answer Key, and reselect the correct answer. Save changes. Common fix: ensure the form is toggled to quiz mode in settings. Once everything validates, share the form link or email it to respondents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.